What's up, guys? 2020 Corolla, the hybrid one. Got a hybrid engine. I'm going to change the air filter. Basically, you come down here and push these metal clips off, like that and that. And then you're going to grab this air box and pull it out towards the driver's side to get those tabs straight out, and then you can lift it up. It's a little firm, so be careful not to rip any hoses off when you're doing it. You can just crack it open a little bit like this and then pull your filter out. Just go ahead and slide it out like that. Shouldn't be that hard. And then got your new one here. This is the part number. This is from Toyota, and that's just a small little rectangle air filter. Basically same procedure, just in reverse. We're just going to lift up the air box, put this in, and then put it down. It doesn't need to go like a certain way, it just needs to look like that. Get it in like that, and then put these tabs in right here. Just make sure these get in their holes on both sides. Alright, be careful not to rip this air hose or rip that hose off by being too wild with it. Put these clips back on. Might need two hands. They should go on not that hard, but that's it.